This is JR from JRC Visa Consultancy and Immigration Services, and we're gonna talk about the issuance of the ACR I-Card, which is the last and final step of the visa application process that is issued by the Bureau of Immigration here in the Philippines. There are instances right now that they come to the office, JR, I have a visa. Where's your stamp? Where's your ACR I-Card? If they have the stamp, there are cases that they don't have the ACR I-Card. To complete your visa application, you need to have these three. Your visa approval with implementation stamp, your implementation stamp in your passport, and also the ACR I-Card. So normally, the ACR I-Card is an identification of your visa. So somewhat, if you're gonna take a look at it, it is a proof that you have a legitimate and legal visa in the Philippines. Without that, you might be asked, why is it that you don't have an ACR I-Card? Now, the process would start right after your visa is fully implemented, meaning it's fully stamped. That is day one when they start their ACR I-Card or the issuance itself, or the approval, the review, the approval, and the issuance of your ACR I-Card. It will take normally around 1 to 2 months from the implementation date. The ACR I-Card will also go through different processes along the way so that you will have an expectation of, JR, why is it taking so long? Everything that you process or you submitted in the Bureau of Immigration go through a process. So an ACR I-Card shall also be doing the same route as your visa application. From the district office, it will be forwarded after your biometrics to the main office, and then once the main office received it, they're gonna evaluate it, they're gonna have it reviewed, they're gonna have it approved, they're gonna have it printed, and then send back that particular card if it's already printed in the main office going back to the district office. One point of clarification, the ACR I-Card will only be printed in the main office. So no other offices right now in the Philippines or the Bureau of Immigration office across the Philippines except for the main office, which is the only office that can issue an ACR I-Card. There are several ACR I-Cards. You have spousal, 9G, voluntary, and the most common one is tourist. So the ACR I-Card is your final proof. And then once your ACR I-Card has already arrived on your district offices, then the district offices may inform you that your ACR I-Card is ready for claiming, or you may actually go voluntarily in the Bureau of Immigration office, ACR I-Card section, to claim your ACR I-Card. So that completes your visa application journey. It may be a long journey along the way, but I think it's all worthwhile to know the general procedures of that. We may not be explaining it thoroughly in terms of the very particular detail, but what we would like you to know is how the entire process had gone through, so that you will realize that particular visa journey is a process, takes time, effort, money, and most of all, your patient. So please bear with us. We will be seeing you on our next episode, and we'll be talking about Philippine visa and immigration facts which you need to know while you are here in the Philippines. Of course, our intention is to help you. Nothing more, nothing less. So if you have some questions, please send us a message on our email or send a comment or put a comment on this video. And please give me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. And the last one, hit notification bell so that you will be informed of what is the latest update from our channel, especially you concerning about the Philippine visa and immigration fact. With that being said, we'll be seeing you on our next episode. Thank you, foreign friends. Looking forward to see you in the Philippines. For those people who are already here, welcome home. Have a life. Thank you.